Mayor Baste Duterte raised questions on Tuesday, July 9, regarding the recent mass relief of police officials in Davao City. In a statement, the mayor expressed concern that the removal of key police figures, including the city police director, head of the Special Operations Group, and 19 station commanders, would not contribute to maintaining peace and security in the city. Mayor Duterte pointed out that if General Nicolas Torre perceived the Davao City police personnel as ineffective, it contradicts the consistent recognition by the institution he leads, which has hailed the Davao City Police Office as the top performing unit in the region. He emphasized that these police officers who have dedicated their lives to serving their fellow Filipinos do not deserve such treatment. The Philippine National Police confirmed the dismissal of 19 station commanders in Davao. According to PNP Public Information Office Chief Police Colonel Jean Fajardo, there were discrepancies in reported crime statistics, particularly regarding murder and rape cases in the province. Colonel Fajardo also mentioned that the new regional director of Davao has discretion over appointing trusted individuals to assume roles as new station commanders.
So that is one of the reason I understand, because when the new regional director assumed as the regional director of Police Regional Office 11 ay nag-ikot po siya sa mga stations, may mga nakita po siya na mga discrepancies in terms of the crime statistics. So these are now under investigation. But what the regional director wants me to share with you, in fact sabi nga niya, Jean, for those who wish to interview me, open po siya, makausap niyo po siya nga personal. But ang sinasabi niya lang, ang direction po ng desisyon, this is his sole prerogative ng regional director, ay lahat po yon, ang intention po nun is to further improve yung delivery ng public service, lalong-lalo na po sa mga mamamayan po natin sa Davao region po.